this is Amrita from Tenet Technetronics. In this video, I am going to explain the working of shift register with 7-segment display in LPC1769. The LPCXpresso board contains the JTAG debugger called the LPC link and the target controller. LPC link is equipped with 10-pin JTAG header and it seamlessly connects the target via USB. Cutting the tracks between the LPC link and the target will make the LPC link a standalone JTAG debugger. This enables the LPCXpresso platform to connect to an external target and to use to develop for wide varieties of NXP's Cortex M0, M3, ARM7-9 based applications. This is the pinout diagram for shift register 17595, wherein pin number 1 to 7 and 15 for output pins, that is Q0 to Q7, pin number 8 for ground, pin number 9 for serial out, pin number 10 for master re-clear active low, pin number 11 for shift register clock pin, pin number 12 for storage register clock pin number 13 for output enable, pin number 14 for serial data input, pin number 16 for positive supply voltage. This is the circuit diagram wherein the shift register is connected for 7-segment display, and the 3 connections of shift register like clock, data and latch pin should be interfaced with LPCXpresso 1769. As it said earlier in the program, pin number 9 of LPC1769 is connected for latch, pin number 8 for data and pin number 7 for clock. This is the VCC and this is the ground from LPC1769. You can watch the incremented value in the 7-segment display. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website www.tenettech.com. Thank you.